Welcome back. A few years ago, I have installed the R-Design steering wheel, which I got from a dealer. It's an original Volvo accessory, which is not cheap. But when I got it, when I opened it up, I was really surprised to see a black cover for the RTI buttons, which I don't have on my Volvo. I still went ahead and installed the steering wheel, and over time I got used to it and I didn't even notice that the cover was there. And it's only visible from the passenger side. When you're behind the wheel and you're driving the car, you don't see it at all. And you have to agree with me that it just looks wrong. Too bad that Volvo sells you such an expensive accessory with the wrong part installed on it. I'm not sure if it was deliberate or it's a mistake by Volvo to supply me the steering wheel with the wrong color of that cover. And thanks to Matt, he recently contacted me. He's one of my subscribers and my friends. And he told me, Yuri, there is a correct color of that cover. Matt, he owns Auslander Volvo Restoration. He specializes in restoring particularly Volvo 240s. And he does a great job. Check out his Instagram account. A lot of interesting information. And he also remanufactures some interesting and unique parts to the older Volvos. So check it out. And thank you, Matt, for telling me about the cover. I got it from my dealer and today we're gonna install it. So I've also included the part number for the black cover, and in my hands you can see made in Spain. This is the correct beige cover for my color code. And let's take it out and take a closer look. If we flip it, it says Volvo and it says Spain. There is no part number printed and looks like it's held by a single screw at the back. The color 100% matches my interior, thanks God, and it's gonna look awesome. Just take a look, black and beige. This black hole just disappears from my eyes. I'm glad I have it. Thank you, Matt. And for installation, I'm gonna use a bone tool and adhesive silicone. I've used it before. It's a great product. And if you are very sensitive, just please stop the video because I will be vandalizing my car. Sorry, but I was too lazy to take out the airbag, to take apart the buttons. It was just so much easier to break this cover off and install and glue the new one on. I think it was just easier without any headaches. So I'm just carefully prying the old cover, just bending it over until it's gonna break off in pieces. And again, sorry for this method, but it's my choice. If you like, you can take out the airbag and do it properly. So please don't judge my choice here. This took me less than, 6 minutes to install. It was that quick. And don't forget, only you and I will know about this glue. And this last piece, I'm gonna just break it off with some pliers. And the screw is gonna stay there, but it's not gonna it's not gonna rattle at all. Now let's try and fit the new cover. It sits pretty nicely, but still glue would help. It's gonna just make sure it's gonna stay there. So in strategic points, I'm gonna put the glue on, and I'm gonna put the cover back and let it sit for at least 24 hours to make sure it dries completely before I'm gonna be using the car. So I'm doing this in the evening, and I'm putting this adhesive silicone all around, including where the screw is, and the screw is not gonna rattle. I've driven the car, no problems. And I'm gonna press on the cover to put it in place, and some glue is gonna seep out. I'm gonna gently and carefully wipe it off, and it means it's gonna adhere better. And I'm gonna just use some painter's tape to secure it and leave it for the night. And I hope that this video is gonna help someone. If you got the steering wheel with the wrong cover, you have the part numbers now. And sorry for using this method, but I'm gonna include the link at the end on the screen how to remove the airbag at time of installation of the R-Design steering wheel. And let me tell you, this looks so much better. That's the way it was supposed to be out of the box when I got the steering wheel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for your time watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you and bye bye.